Hi everyone. It's a little bit before 8 here in Port Coquitlam, British Columbia. I slipped into Scrubs mode an hour or so ago after dinner because for the rest of North America it's really late, so there's no point in really, doing any social media stuff or anything like that. So basically, I've just been relaxing, kind of like Luna here, who's pretty passed out on her bed. And similar to Duncan over here, who's been out for a while now. So I'm kind of just relaxing and staying warm in this fake thing that feels really weird, but functions as a blanket somewhat. So yeah, this is Luna. She's hanging out, she's sleeping, and even the Apple TV's getting a little tired of me not watching anything at the moment. So I figured I'd Periscope before I started talking with my friend about some web work that I'm doing for her. And thought I'd show you what Luna looks like when she's asleep. I've been taking pictures of her, but the light's bad, so it doesn't really work. But needless to say, I'm really going to miss this one when I leave, which luckily is for like another 2 weeks and a bit. But yeah, it's the downside of house sitting is you get to spend time with animals, but you end up kind of leaving eventually. So in some cases I do get to see them again. Like the next house that I'm going to is actually for one that I house set for in August. So I'll get to see the pup again. Whether or not I'll be back to house sit these two and the cat at some point, I'm not sure. But for now, I'm just enjoying some time with them, sleeping in the living room. And I thought I'd share with you. So I hope everyone's having a great night, or a good morning, or a good afternoon. And I will talk to you tomorrow. Okay, see ya.